Welcome back, or if you're new here, I'm glad you found your way to our community. Today's topic dives into the intricate world of narcissism, a subject that intrigues both psychology enthusiasts and those seeking to understand complex human behavior. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, I invite you to explore the nuances of narcissistic traits with an open mind and a curiosity for the human psyche. How do narcissists take your voice away? In this video, we will explore some examples of the painful realities that victims of narcissists may experience. 1. They make you feel like you don't matter. Meeting your needs can be almost impossible when you are around a narcissist. Most people have difficulty speaking up and expressing their needs when they're in the presence of someone who makes them feel like the only thing that matters is their needs. It's as if they have a filter that only allows their needs to pass through. In this situation, you must remember that it's not about the narcissist. It's about you. You need to continue caring for yourself and your needs, even if it doesn't seem like anyone else cares. Because do you know what would happen when you indulge in your feelings of unworthiness? You will slowly but surely lose your voice and lose yourself entirely in the hands of the narcissists. And that is what narcissists want to do: kill your voice to prevent you from acting against them. 2. They tell you your ideas are nonsensical. Humiliation affects us more than we think. Unfortunately, narcissists are aware of that fact. Hence, they will use it as a strategy to kill your voice. One of the most significant humiliations you get from them is discrediting your idea or deeming it stupid when it's not. But we all know that narcissists have a way of making all people believe in everything they say, so you aren't an exception to that. As a result, you'll never try to express your opinions again, because you believe your ideas are useless and stupid, just like what narcissists have planned. When that happens, narcissists have successfully killed your voice by degrading your thoughts. 3. They tell you that no one likes what you do or how you do it. Narcissists think they are the ones people should admire. Hence, if they can't get the favor of others, they will sabotage you and kill your voice to prevent you from garnering more supporters than them. Narcissists will still tell you that others don't like you and manipulate you into believing that you don't know what you are doing. That criticism will sometimes hit you to the core and cause you to lose confidence. Can you imagine how satisfied the narcissists will be for making you suffer with a silly lie they've told you? I can tell that your annoyance and anger will be immense once you see them smiling over your pain. That is why you have to stay grounded if you don't want them to have the last laugh. 4. They won't listen to what you have to say. Narcissists have many ways to kill your voice, and one is not to listen to you. How can you have a voice and get heard by someone who has deaf ears on you? As this continues, your worth will slowly disappear and cause you to lose your determination to deal with narcissists and their traits. And that is where narcissists want you to be, at the lowest point of your life, because that is the only time they can control you. Narcissists kill your voice to have theirs get heard by everyone else, including you. Their desire for validation pushes them to invalidate other people. 5. They will constantly interrupt you and talk over you. What would you feel when someone constantly interrupts you while you are talking? There might be a few who don't mind getting cut in mid-sentence, but most of us will lose our enthusiasm because of it. If you act this way when narcissists talk over you, they'll use it to steal your voice, and once they have it, narcissists will instantly kill it. Narcissists can decide things you disagree with if you don't have your voice, because you can't stand your ground against them without it. If this happens, narcissists will eventually make you their puppet. The despair you will feel when you do something you don't want to, but can't reject the narcissist's wishes, will kill you repeatedly. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of narcissism. If you found our discussion insightful, share your thoughts in the comments below. For more content on psychology and human behavior, make sure to subscribe. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and share it with friends who might find it interesting. Until next time, take care and keep learning.